I'm Jennifer Pepito. I'm the founder of the Peaceful Press. And at the Peaceful Press, we want to help you develop a living education in your home. It's so important to us to help you develop connections with your children around beautiful books and to prepare them for academic success. To me, homeschooling is like play. And the Peaceful Preschool is set up in this way where your child's going to come to you and say, let's do school, or let's do my Peaceful Preschool. But it is easy. It's just, one family wrote in and said that it took them 15 to 20 minutes a day, and their child had exceeded all their expectations for learning their letters, learning their numbers. So just, spending a few minutes a day preparing, and then 20 minutes to an hour doing some little fine motor skills, drawing their letters in sand and tossing a ball back and forth, reading a book to them, easy things that even could be done in your little 5-minute increments or 5-minute fringe moments that you have can prepare your child for learning, but also feel like fun for you and your child. When you buy the Peaceful Preschool, we include an entire parent guide that teaches you how to set up the learning atmosphere, teaches you to set up a rhythm, even has some frequently asked questions. You also include 26 weeks of daily guides to learning that give you an activity in several different areas. We teach you how to read aloud to your child. We give you prompts for phonics and counting skills, fine and large motor skills, art, and practical life skills. We include an at-a-glance weekly grid, so you can just see right at a glance what you're going to be doing that week, a supply list, so it's really easy to gather your household supplies, and we also include the book list and supply list for the whole year. When I was homeschooling my children, we were on one income, and so I couldn't afford to buy all kinds of resources to do this homeschooling thing. And it was really important to me to make it affordable for young families with maybe one income and just kind of getting started in their careers to be able to still get a high quality preschool resource. And so we've intentionally kept our prices really low at the Peaceful Press. You can get the whole 26-week Peaceful Preschool resource for just $39. Join us at the Peaceful Press and develop a living education and love homeschooling with your children.